Land is the basis of all independence.
Hello YouTube, I'm back. I've been gone for a few days, been real busy lately, but today's video is going to be specifically about the mango leaves and what they can actually be used for. Alright, so if you see behind me here, I have a few mango trees here and over here. Now, I didn't know about this when I was first growing the trees, but then I found out later that you can actually use the leaves for a number of things. As I was explaining in previous videos, that the mango leaves have medicinal properties that can treat certain types of sicknesses, ailments, and things like that. So, one of the things that the mango leaves can do is when you soak it in water and you drink the water that it was soaked in. And by the way, you can go look this stuff online for all the specifics, but I'm just going to give you a brief rundown. When you soak it in water and you drink the water that it was soaked in, it regulates diabetes. When you turn the mango leaves into a powder by drying it and then possibly like crushing it after it's been dried, it dissolves kidney stones. If you are able to ingest it like that. It also, when you boil the mango leaves, they say this cures respiratory problems if you drink the boiled water from the mango leaves. They say the mango leaves also can relieve earaches. Another thing that they say that it cures hiccups. If you burn the leaves and you inhale the smoke from it burning, they say it cures hiccups in that way. They also say that when you drink the tea of the mango leaf, it lowers your blood pressure and risk of hypertension. Another thing that they say the mango leaves treats is restlessness. So if you bathe in water full of mango leaves, they say that helps out with restlessness. It also says it cures diarrhea. They say when you burn the leaves and turn it into ashes, it helps with, I guess, burns that you might have on your body. They also say that it prevents various stomach ailments. Soak in warm water overnight, strain the water, consume on an empty stomach, and they say that it helps with weight loss and other stomach issues that you might have at the time. All right. A number of other things that they say that it can help with consist of it treating allergies, sore throats, varicose veins, etc. But you're gonna have to look up the specifics as to exactly what you can do, or maybe I might even put a link down in the description down there. But yeah, that's what mango leaves are good for. So this is one of the herbs, I guess, if you will, that I have back here that I drink, not every day, but I drink every now and then, and along with my Plectranthus amboinicus. But yeah, that's it, guys. And remember, the revolution will not be pesticides. Beep.
Land is the basis of all independence.